Every crispy samosa begins long before the factory, with the harvest. Fresh ingredients are gathered with consistency at the heart of every batch. High-quality flour lays the foundation for the perfect samosa shell. Precision blending ensures every bite carries the same signature flavor.
Pure cooking oil is prepared for the journey to large-scale production.
Every essential ingredient arrives in perfect sequence for continuous production.
Strict logistics keep every delivery organized from the very first step.
Each shipment is inspected before entering the production line. Proper storage preserves freshness before processing begins.
The transformation begins as raw ingredients enter the heart of the factory. Powerful washing reveals the clean ingredients hidden beneath the soil. Automation selects only the best potatoes for every batch. Every fresh vegetable is cleaned to meet strict food safety standards. High-speed peeling prepares vegetables for efficient processing.
Steam peeling protects quality while maximizing efficiency.
Uniform cutting guarantees even cooking in every samosa filling. Precise measurements create consistent flavor from batch to batch. Carefully prepared flour is ready for the next stage of production. Filtered oil ensures purity before cooking begins. With every ingredient prepared, the factory is ready for transformation.
Steam transforms fresh potatoes into the heart of every samosa. Carefully cooked aromatics build the signature flavor profile.
Measured spices awaken the filling with rich aroma and color. Every ingredient comes together in perfect balance. Controlled cooling prepares the filling for precise forming. Perfect dough begins with precision mixing and controlled hydration.
Resting strengthens the dough for flawless shaping.
Uniform sheets ensure every samosa begins exactly the same.
Precision cutting prepares each wrapper for perfect assembly.
Everything is now in place for thousands of samosas to take shape.
Every wrapper receives the exact filling needed for perfect consistency. Automation forms every samosa with remarkable precision. A secure seal protects every bite during cooking. Uniform shape guarantees even cooking across the entire production line. The transformation from dough to crisp perfection begins. Carefully controlled frying creates the signature crispy texture.
Each samosa leaves the fryer perfectly crisp and evenly cooked.
Continuous filtration keeps the frying process clean and efficient.
The finished samosas are now ready for precision inspection and final preparation. Every samosa is examined with precision before moving forward. Only the highest quality products continue to the next stage.
Controlled cooling preserves freshness and crispness. Perfect alignment prepares every batch for accurate counting. Gentle handling protects the crisp texture achieved during frying.
Human expertise confirms what automation has already verified.
Final safety screening protects every package leaving the factory.
The production line now prepares for its final transformation. From perfect production to perfect presentation, the final stage begins.
Every package is verified to meet exact weight specifications. A perfect seal protects freshness from factory to customer. Every batch is fully traceable throughout its journey. Routine sampling verifies that every production batch meets strict standards. Scientific testing safeguards the quality behind every package.
Texture is measured with the same precision as every production step.
Continuous oil monitoring ensures consistent cooking performance.
Only fully approved products continue to final distribution.
Quality approval clears the way for nationwide distribution.
With every inspection complete, the finished product is ready for its final journey. Retail packs come together into shipping-ready cartons with perfect precision. Every carton is sealed, labeled, and prepared for distribution.
Automation builds stable pallet loads for safe transport. Protective wrapping keeps every shipment secure from factory to destination. Finished products wait in organized storage for customer orders. A seamless production system delivers quality from start to finish. And this is how modern factories produce crispy samosas from start to finish.
Innovation, precision, and teamwork power every batch produced here.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.